Space looks peaceful, silent, beautiful. It isn't. There are places out there that kill faster than you can blink. Places that make the vacuum of space look safe. And if Earth were unlucky enough to be there, we wouldn't last a second. Our solar system sits in a relatively quiet suburb of the Milky Way. But the galaxy is more like a city full of dangerous neighborhoods. Some are so extreme that the moment you enter them, life is over. These are the death zones of the cosmos, home to deadly radiation, crushing gravity, and cataclysmic explosions. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, its core collapses in a fraction of a second. Then, boom, a supernova erupts for a few weeks. It outshines entire galaxies, flooding space with deadly radiation and shockwaves. In that instant, it releases more energy than our sun will produce over its entire 10 billion year lifetime. If Earth were unlucky enough to be within 30 light years of one, the intense radiation would rip away our ozone layer, strip the atmosphere, and sterilize the surface. It's the universe's version of a cosmic shotgun blast, and somewhere out there, stars are always loading the chamber. And as deadly as that is, there's something even more terrifying. As terrifying as supernovae are, there's something worse: the gamma ray burst. This happens when certain massive stars collapse into black holes, firing two ultra-focused beams of energy at nearly the speed of light. These beams are so concentrated that they can carry more destructive power than a supernova, but only in the direction they point. If one of those beams happened to be aimed at Earth, the ozone layer could be annihilated in seconds, flooding the surface with lethal ultraviolet radiation. Entire ecosystems could collapse before we even understood what was happening. And the scariest part? We might never see it coming. It could already be on its way. But death from the stars doesn't always arrive in one big blast. Sometimes, it comes in an endless, relentless sweep. Not every dead star explodes. Some collapse into pulsars dense, spinning remnants only about 20 kilometers wide, but packing more mass than our sun. They rotate hundreds of times per second, sweeping beams of radiation across space like a lighthouse from hell. If a spaceship or a planet drifts into that beam, DNA is fried instantly, electronics fail in microseconds, and unshielded matter is torn apart at the molecular level. These stellar corpses may look quiet from a distance, but up close, they're death machines in perfect rhythm. Not all cosmic threats announce themselves with light or sound. Some are invisible, undetectable, until they're already here. Deep in the void, stars are constantly being born, living, and dying. And when they die as supermassive black holes, their gravity can tear entire solar systems apart. But even black holes move. Some drift through space like predators in the dark, no glow, no warning, just an invisible distortion of reality itself. If one passed close enough to our solar system, it wouldn't need to touch Earth to destroy it. Its gravity could fling planets into deep space, rip the moon from our orbit, or drag the sun itself off course. Life wouldn't end in a flash. It would unravel slowly as seasons warped, oceans froze or boiled, and the sky became unrecognizable. You can't shield against it. You can't fight it. And right now, somewhere out there, one could be on its way. And here's the twist. We're nowhere near it. Our little patch of the Milky Way is like the quiet countryside, far from the city's chaos. That distance isn't just luck, it's the reason life here even had a chance. Earth's quiet position is a cosmic miracle. No nearby supernova candidates. No pulsars sweeping our way. No black hole neighbors. But galaxies move. Stars drift. And danger changes location over millions of years. The safest place in the universe might just be temporary. The universe is not built for life. It's built for chaos, energy, and destruction. We just happen to live in a rare pocket of calm. But calm doesn't last forever. And somewhere out there, the most dangerous place in the universe is waiting,